Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to show you how to make your own biodegradable confetti and beautiful handmade confetti cones. This DIY project is perfect for weddings, parties or any celebration where you want to add a touch of eco-friendly charm. Before we get started, let's go over all the materials you'll need. Fresh leaves, tissue paper, a shape cutter or a hole punch if you prefer a different shape, plain white card, double-sided tape, glue dots, a print block, an ink pad, string, feathers, a pair of scissors, and finally a ruler. First up, we're going to make our biodegradable confetti. Next, pick up your leaves and take your cutter and start cutting through your leaves. This part is super fun and easy. Just press down firmly and you'll have beautiful confetti pieces in no time. Not only is this confetti visually stunning, but it's also biodegradable, meaning it's safe for the environment. It's perfect for any outdoor celebration and very popular for weddings. Now layer your tissue and cut out more shapes to give your confetti some colour. You can use any colour you wish. Tip, you could even add fresh petals in the mix. Beautiful biodegradable butterfly confetti. Now that we've got our confetti ready, let's move on to making the confetti cones. We'll start with plain white card. I have a pre-cut card already for my cones, but you can print on one big sheet of card. Then once the ink is dry, using a tape measure and scissors, cut 6" by 6" squares out. I'm going to show you how to print on the card now to add a personalised touch. We're going to print a design on the sheet of card using a print block and an ink pad. I'm using a flower print block and a heart one. Simply press the block into the ink pad and then onto the paper, creating a beautiful hand printed design. Make sure you press your block in the ink each time to get the best print. This adds a lovely rustic feel to your cones, making each one unique. Now we have the printed card, we will now roll into a cone shape. First we need to add a piece of double-sided tape to one side of the card. Measure just under a 6-inch piece and attach it to your card along one edge. Now roll a square into a cone shape, making sure the printed side is on the outside. This can be tricky, but just take your time. Now you can peel off the backing of your double-sided tape. Secure the edge with the strip of double-sided tape. And your cone is ready. Now let's add the finishing touches to give our cones a little extra flair. We're going to add some decorative details. Take some string and measure about 90 inches. It's roughly about a ruler and a half. Now grab a glue dot and press down onto the front of your cone. This is so we can attach the feather and secure the string. Now choose a feather and attach it to the cone. I'm going to choose the black one. Attach it like this. Now we're going to wrap our string around the one that we cut earlier and tie it in a bow at the front, pressing it onto the glue dot. This adds a soft, elegant touch and a rustic feel to the confetti cone. And there you have it, a beautiful handmade confetti cone, ready to be filled with our biodegradable confetti. These confetti cones are now ready to be packaged in a set of 20 on my website. I'm offering this as a box set, which includes an option to add 1 litre of biodegradable confetti, perfect for any special occasion where you want to wow your guests while being kind to the planet. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you love this project, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more DIY inspiration. And if you want to get your hands on a set of these handmade confetti cones, check out the link in the description on my website. See you next time.